Hello and welcome to the hair tutorial channel, and on this video I'm once again featuring some of your work. I've got some fantastic photos and videos to show you of salon ready work, and all the formulas are down in the description below, along with all the links to the relevant social media pages. So go over, show some love and show your support for these amazing transformations. And don't forget, I do weekly videos on cutting, colouring, hair up and hair transformation. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe and hit the notification button. So first up we have Vanessa Morgan, or as known on Instagram, the Magic Hair Wizard, and what she does really is magic. So the first of her hair transformations again is absolutely stunning, and Vanessa here has started with about a base sort of 6/7, and there's a little bit of colour as you can see on the ends of those hair. So she's gone about first obviously lightening this, and to achieve this she has done fine back combed slices throughout the whole hair. Now she has a secret weapon, and there will be a link to this in the description below. It's called a board, and I had to check this out because I'd never seen one either, but it actually does look quite ingenious. It's a balayage board that's really long with some extra teeth on it. So why don't you check that out, because this is what she's used to do these fine back comb slices with. Now Vanessa is a GOLDWELL girl, and she's used the Oxycure with 3% at the back and then moved up to 6% at the front, obviously to allow the back to slowly process and speed up at the front with a higher percentage. And then once processed, she's taken this to the backwash and rinsed with the ELUMEN shampoo and conditioner. Now if you've never used ELUMEN before, I do suggest checking it out. Now her client wanted this to last, and this is why she's used the ELUMEN, and if you've never checked out ELUMEN, then go and do that, because it is a very interesting product. She's then gone in on the root with VV in the ELUMEN with a drop of NA, and she said she's put this through and then she has smudged it into her favourite colour, which is the PK. And she's also given us a little tip when smudging it down, use the tips of your finger to drag it through, a bit like milking a cow. And that was her explanation, not mine, but I think it's quite a good one. I think you can visualise that in your head. The ELUMEN is then developed for 30 minutes and rinsed off, and this is the finished result, and I think you're going to agree it is absolutely stunning. Now for Vanessa's second look, more of a balayage effect, and she's again used the board, and she's taken more chunkier slices and used the board back combed and got him really tight to the root. Around the hairline you can see that she's done some baby lights just to give it more of a sun-kissed look and a bit more of a money piece around the face. And she's used the GOLDWELL Silk Lift with 6% and the Brazilian Bond Builder. She's visually processed that, rinsed it off, and then she's toned with the GOLDWELL colourance, and I'll put the formula just here. And their social media links are down below, and if you're loving what they do, then comment below and show your support. And once again, look at the result. Absolutely stunning. Again, I've been following her on Instagram and her work is incredible, so check out her Instagram page. Okay, so next up we have Verity Clarke, and wow is all I can say for the next two as well. This is absolutely stunning. So as you can see, we've started with a very faded colour and quite a large regrowth from post-lockdown. So she started by pre-lightening the roots with the Elgon Blueberry Bleach and 3%, and she's applied this 1/2 inch away from the scalp and processed this to a strong gold. She then went back in and applied this to the roots to prevent the banding on such a large regrowth, as the heat from the scalp will make this process quicker. She didn't attempt to lift out any of the previous colour as it was so faded, and as you can see it is a very beautiful colour, and it's lifted up nice and evenly because she's done the sort of the mid band and then gone back in and done the roots to give this perfectly blended result. She's then dried this off and used a mixture of formulas, which I'm going to link in the description below, so head there and check out what she's used. But she has used the Manic Panic, and she started from the bottom, taking 1 inch square sections and colour melted each section in the following combinations, which are in the description below. And she's applied the colours visually by eye and just gently blended them together. So not like a colour melt, but just smudged that line so there's not a defined line. And wow, what a result. I think this is absolutely stunning, and it certainly caught my eye when I saw it on her Instagram page. And her next one, once again, is equally as striking. So Verity started with previously coloured brown hair and sectioned out a large fringe from the high point of the head to the temples, and then added 1/2 inch down each side to connect and join to the ear. Once again, she pre-lightened with the Elgon Blueberry Bleach and 6% in back-to-back foils, and then went back in and did the natural route, again with the 6%, and processed this all to a clean level 9. She then dried this off and took out the sectioning pattern that you see on the screen. So she started with section A, using again the Manic Panic colours. She coloured section A with Pro Pink Warrior. She then coloured section B with Electric Banana and a dot of Pro Pink Warrior. Section C, she used Psychedelic Sunset, Pro Solar Yellow and Pro Pink Warrior. On the side section, she applied Formula B to just about halfway down, blended into a small amount of bands C, then A, and then C again, and finally applied B to the rest of the length. She made sure to blend the colours together using her fingers just to diffuse the line, but not to colour melt them together, before finally rinsing with cold water to lock the colour in. And once again, just look at the colour result. I mean, wow, that is stunning. Such an amazing job. A massive thank you to Verity and Vanessa for joining in, and please head over to their Facebook page and Instagram and join them and see some more of their amazing work, and comment below if you're going to give anything you've seen a try. If you would like your work featured, then please send me a message and I can tell you how to send it to me. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button. And I'll see you next time.